हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आर्किटेक्ट ऋतु सिंह, खैतान पॉलीटेक्निक कॉलेज जयपुर से। सब्जेक्ट कोड AR301 हिस्ट्री ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, टाइप ऑफ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस में आज आपको थर्ड MCQ, जो कि हमारी यूनिट 3 आर्किटेक्ट्स, फेमस आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड देयर वर्क्स पे बेस्ड है, उसमें मैं आपको कुछ सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस शेयर कर रही हूँ। तो here we go, we'll do them architect wise, so आप लोगों को याद करने में easy होगा। and they're just 25 in numbers, but इससे इस तरीके के related और भी questions आपके exam में put up हो सकते हैं। तो this is to give you an idea how the questions may come. So question number 1 is skin and bone architecture is related to, and the answer is architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Question number 2 is less is more is related to, and the answer is architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Lakeshore Drive apartments were designed by, and the answer is architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Question number 4 is Frank Lloyd Wright designed this weekend resort over a natural stream of water. I think you all must be aware. It's also known as Kaufman House, and the answer is Falling Water House. It's one of the famous project done by FLW. Question number 5 is Guggenheim Museum was designed by, and the answer is architect Frank Lloyd Wright. Question number 6, the term organic architecture is related to which architect? And the answer is architect Frank Lloyd Wright. We come to question number 7. 5 points of architecture were given by, and the answer is architect Le Corbusier. Question number 8 is Villa Savoy was designed by, again I would like to brief you out that Villa Savoy is one project which is having all the five points of architecture, and it is a well-known design by architect Le Corbusier. So the answer is architect Le Corbusier. And what are the 5 points of architecture? I think you all must be aware about. No need to explain it. Question number 9 is it is an anthropometric scale of proportions devised by architect Le Corbusier, and the answer is the modular. Question number 10 is Roby House by architect Frank Lloyd Wright is located in, and the answer is Chicago, Illinois, United States. Question number 11, how many sectors are there in Chandigarh? And the answer is 56 sectors. You remember that Chandigarh is based on a sector plan, and the topmost sector is the capital complex, which carries all the administrative buildings, Secretariat, Assembly House, High Court, and then Open Hand Monument. So now we come to question number 12. Which country does Alvar Aalto belong to? And the answer is Finland. Finland, okay, he was a Finnish architect. I think it's been misprint in question number 12. Please correct it with my words. It's Finland. Now the question number 13 is Helsinki city center was designed by, and the answer is architect Alvar Aalto. Question number 14, a famous chair developed by architect Alvar Aalto, and the answer is Paimio chair. Question number 15, the Dymaxion house was developed by, and the answer is architect Buckminster Fuller, Bucky. Question number 16 is geodesic dome is associated to which architect? And the answer is architect Buckminster Fuller. Now, another question related to the Dymaxion word. The word Dymaxion derived by architect Buckminster Fuller means, what is the meaning of the word Dymaxion? And the answer is it is a blend of dynamic, maximum, and tension. Question number 18 is Jawahar Kala Kendra is designed by, and the answer is architect Charles Correa. Question number 19 is how many stories do Kanchenjunga apartment has? And the answer is 28 stories. We come to question number 20. Sabarmati Ashram is located in which city? and the answer is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Again, the question could be, who designed Sabarmati Ashram? So you must know he is architect Charles Correa. And if it is asked like the way it is, that where it is located, you have to write Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Bharat Bhavan is designed by, again the answer is architect Charles Correa. The answer for the question number 21. Now we come to question number 22. The Indian Coffee House Trivandrum is designed by, and the answer is architect Laurie Baker. Question number 23. Hamlet. Architect Laurie Baker's residence is located in which city? Answer is Trivandrum. Now the question can be also put up, what is architect Laurie Baker's residence local name? And the answer can be Hamlet. So you need to know the kind of questions and the way they can be put up. Question number 24. Ratrabon, Phyllis Labs, Jack Archer's Brick Jalis are associated to which architect? And the answer is architect Laurie Baker. Now we come to the last question, question number 25. Hiroshima Peace Center was designed by, and the answer is architect Kenzo Tange. So this is all about your multiple choice questions from the unit 3, architects and their works, the famous architects and their works. So this is as per the BTR syllabus, and to give you an idea how the questions related to MCQ they can be put up. So they can be similar type of questions, so you need to know how to attempt them. So as of now, thank you, have a nice day.